It's okay, kitty.
You didn't call back for it.
Go do your thing.
Oh! Nice shot.
That's silly.
Come back out and go back through.
Recording, okay?
Hear that?
Oh, the cat went away. Oh, what is the kitty doing? Shh. We don't want to scare it away. Oh, crap.
That was pretty close.
I'm not doing anything weird or creepy.
Only wandering further.
Yeah, right. I'm not like that. Okay, kitty. Okay, cat, somebody. God, quick. Stop getting in the way, woman.
He said, I'm hungry.
He's not saying nothing.
Look at him. He's going to make
What
one. I'm going to make it. And
did
then
that
you're gonna
little
have
girl
one.
say?
You're going to pull ahead of the old man.
Okay? I'm recording still.
We're not. Here, I'll
I
just...
want to get a video of the cat. So I can post it on YouTube. Quick, trying to get in the video. It opened his mouth. That was adorable.
It's getting there. Ready, Jordan?
Do, 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 do. Who's a pretty kitty?
That was pathetic.
Hang on the way. Oh my god. Look at this cat being adorable.
Are you alright, Callie?
You know I'm recording, right?
Hey, it was an accident, you know? Okay?
Don't listen.
Smart. I'll come over and whoop your ass.
Excuse me. I have a kid. Oh my god, the cat is adorable. Yes, it is. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording. Hey, let's name the cat soon. I'm calling the cat. Cat. Got to cut it. Shh. Okay? Be very gentle. The cat is letting us pet it. And it looks so cute. Yes, it does. Don't pet it. Okay.
Alright.
Oh, the baby cat. Your
It
heaven.
all goes down, Jordan.
It's okay. It's okay. You want to feel your little paws?
You and your little
Oh my god, it's licking me. Its tongue is so rough. Why are you licking? Hey, why are you trying to eat me? I'm not DiGiorno. Why are you trying to eat me? You're a cat? A cat just thinks I'm delicious, doesn't it?
Yeah. He thinks you're
Oh, I thought he had
What am I dinner for you? That's what the cat's saying. You're dinner. You are deliciously dinner. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm done. I'm gonna keep wandering around this place. Cause I'm a stylish cat. And I'm going into the fire pit. Nope, I'm just gonna walk around it. Kelly, calm down. I'm just gonna walk around it because I don't give a chopstick. I'm never running away. Follow the cat! Oh my god, it's running away. Oh. This is literally a documentary of every kitten ever. Calm down. We're just, well, you okay? You almost took me down. You can see the cat is literally right there. Next to the bridge, and it's adorable. Okay, let's stop following it. Yeah! Okay, I can. The cat was literally thinking I was literally dinner. The pool. Girl, the pool is not open. Look at that sunset though. Sunset though. I have a question for all of you. You can comment down below. Comment, please comment down below. Why does purple? Okay, now. Why does blue and pink go so well together? Okay, comment down below why it does. Besides the fact that it looks really good. The cover's on it. Okay, well I'm ending the video. Want to sign out?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye. Okay, say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Say it a little louder. Okay, well, if you heard that, she just said bye, friends.